Hey everybody, it's me Sissy and I am back with a Dollar Tree haul with a lot of Christmas stuff and one or two new things from Dollar Tree. So let's jump in and get started because I have a bunch of stuff. Okay, we're going to start with the cutest little thing that I found, and it's not Christmas related, but it is this cute little owl phone stand. It's a cute little blue owl, so I thought I would give him a try and see if I could put him to good use. And that would make a great little Christmas present for a teenager or a younger person with a phone. So now let's get to the Christmas stuff. I got some floral stuff. Get out my bag here. And I just got an assortment. I got the fern with the flocking on it and the little glitter, and then I did get some of the silver branches. These are great filler for vases or if you want to do a wreath, but now I have glitter everywhere. Let me keep that up a little bit, and now we'll get into my big bag. And there's a mix of stuff in here. It's not all Christmas. There are some other things in here too. I did manage to find one of the cute little trucks, and it has the tea light in it. Let me see if I can get it to come on. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it does have the little tea light on the inside of it. I thought that was really cute, and it's not really going to go with my color, so I thought I might give the truck a little paint job and see if I can make it match a little bit more with what the theme I'm going with. And in that vein, I found these in the baby shower section, so I'm going to use these as part of my decorations or as vase fillers, or I might make a garland out of them. And I found some great ribbon. I got this cute little llama ribbon, and that has 9 feet on it. It's the Floral Garden. It's the Greenbrier, but I just love the little llamas. I got those, and I got some of the teal deco mesh, the bright pink deco mesh, and that all has 6 feet on it. And then I found this really cute Southwestern llama ribbon. If I can get it open, I want to show you how it looks. Now the chair roll up. There we go. But it is so cute. It's multicolored, and it has cute little fuzzy pom-poms like on it, so I thought that would be really pretty in the theme I'm going for in my Christmas. I'm doing the llama Christmas. If you missed my last haul, I had a sweet viewer sent me some beautiful llama ribbon, and I decided I'm going to use that as the focal point for my Christmas, and I kind of make that work. So, and then there's another roll of the llama ribbon. It's actually called Southwest Llama Ribbon. So, and it's 9 feet. And then I got some more of the traditional things for some crafts. I'm going to do the bag of small berries. There's 36 berries in there. Those come in handy. And then I got a light up tree topper, and it's multicolored. I think I might try to put some glitter on here and kind of make this a little more festive. And I got the Santa hat. That's for a DIY coming up. And then they have these cute ornament fillers. If you buy the clear ornaments, it's got the green, the white, and the red in it. I thought that was really cute. And they have all different color sequins. You could use those as ornament fillers also. And that's, it doesn't say how many ounces or anything that is. So all tangled up. I got my tinsel in a tangle. Oh, here we go. I got the set of 2, well, I'm getting it untangled, y'all. Hold on. I got the 2 stars, and then I got the 2 trees, and I got a little craft coming up using those. And I found this cute Santa scarf. It's by Christmas House, and it's 46 inches. I thought that was really cute. I don't know whether I'm going to use this as a decoration or in a DIY, or just wear it as a scarf. That has yet to be determined. But then I picked up the cute check Snuggie socks. This is for a DIY, but these are really great socks too. If you're looking for a nice gift for somebody, these are really great socks. They're so soft. And then I got the buffalo check plaid Christmas hat. I'm not really a big fan of this fur here, but we might be able to put it to good use. We'll see. Oh, and then I picked up the little church that goes with my trees and my stars. So that's all going in a DIY. And then I picked up 2 packs of the Cedar Picks, and there's 5 picks in each pack. So those are great for the holidays. And then I picked up 2 yard signs to go in my front yard. I got the truck, the Christmas truck, and then it is pulling the Christmas camper. So I thought that would be cute, one on each side of my porch. Put these over here. Y'all, my house is covered in glitter. I'm covered in glitter now, but it's okay. And then I got these cute Christmas trees, and I had a boo-boo go into the car. I broke one of them. The little star came off. I may be able to fix it. I may just have to go get another one if I can find it. But they hold the little tea lights. They're really cute. They kind of remind me of Dr. Seuss. So, yeah, my counter is getting covered. Okay. And then I picked up these 2 cute little buckets to do a DIY. One for my sister and one for me. I thought this would go nice with my color, so that'll be coming up. And hopefully I'm going to get her over here to help me do some DIYs. Maybe. We'll see. And then I found this cute little sled, and it's exactly in the color pattern that I'm going to be using with this teal on it. So I don't have to do anything to that one. I'm just going to hang that one on my wall. It's really cute. And I picked up a flannel back tablecloth. This is for a DIY. That'll be coming up really soon. Okay. And then I picked up some pink check. This was in the baby section. I may use this for my Christmas decorations. I'm not sure. I'm going to see if it kind of fits in. And then I got the white, don't focus on me, focus on the ribbon, with the little stars on it. And some red or pinky checked. Trying to get away from the traditional colors, but you know, it's kind of hard finding pink stuff for Christmas. Then I got these 2 cute candles, a little sweater print on them. These are really cute. I'm going to fix a DIY for my sister with these. And then I got some of the pink burlap, teal burlap, and the, what do they call this? Pearl wrap. So there's 4 feet of the pearl wrap and then 9 feet on the burlap. So now let me move some of this stuff and we'll get to the next bag. Then I picked up the 10 piece of the glitter snowflakes. And I picked up 2 of these. These are the Essentials Microfiber Duster Mop Pads. These are great fur if you're going to do something and you need some fur or a Santa's beard or anything like that. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I got some of the craft floral foam balls for a DIY. And then I love to put ribbons on my car so that I can find it in the parking lot. And I was trying to find something that was a little bit fallish. So I got this pretty kind of bronzy color and then some orange and yellow. And I thought they would mix together and they would make a good little orangey fall type decor. And then, now these are not Christmas. These are just some little things that I picked up. Of course, I picked up some of the pomegranate and vanilla hand sanitizer to hang on your, there you go. I don't know if that's going to focus on, yeah. But anyway, this is good and it smells really good. And then I saw these Borghese, I don't know, B-O-R-G-H-E-S-E Botanico Eye Compress. It's Moisturizing Eye Compress. So I picked those up. I thought I'd give those a try. And then I was surprised to see, you know, Drew Barrymore has the Flower line of cosmetics. So I saw these two. It was 2 eye pencils, chubby eyeshadows. I got the Till We Meet Again and the Dark Side of the Blue. I picked up those 2. I thought those were really cool, nice colors. So I picked those up. And then I picked up a little tiny crowbar. I thought that might come in handy. I'm going to put that in my car, my emergency kit. And then they had this cute little sign that was a puppy, and it says love on it, so I couldn't pass that up. And then this little cat toy, that's a mouse. My the girls that work in the office next to mine, they had a mouse in their office and it was scaring them to death, but we've caught it since then. But I'm gonna sneak in and put this on their desk when they're not there. It's hereby. It's just a little joke. It's all in fun. So, but anyway, y'all, that is my Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully I'll get in there and get started on some crafts. Sorry I missed out on Thanksgiving making anything, but it's been tough, y'all. But we're getting there, and we're going to do some Christmas stuff. So I'll see y'all soon. Remember that Sissy can do it. Y'all can do it too. Get out there and be safe and still go shopping. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.